Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO Find X9. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have the reset using the settings and the reset using the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the settings. That's actually the recommended method. Now scroll all the way down until you find System and Update. Now click on Backup and Reset. Before the reset, you can also create a backup of your data, so you won't lose anything. You'll be able to restore that data later. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you everything step by step, so if you want you can watch that video. Okay, to reset the phone we need to click on Reset, and down below we have Erase All Data button. If you click on that, your device will be turned off. The deleting process of your data will begin. And after that, your device will be turned on automatically, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. That's the first method. When it comes to the reset using the recovery mode, to perform it, we need to power off our device first. So click Power button and Volume Up button, and click on Power Off. But when it comes to the reset using this method, there's a chance that after the reset using the recovery mode, during the setup process, the phone will want you to type the screen lock that you had before the reset, or it will want you to log in into the Google account into which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you're actually this user. So remember about it. Now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold Power button and Volume Down button at the same time for around, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. So simply keep holding until the menu appears. Okay, just like that. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys. If you want to confirm the selected option, click the power button, but the touchscreen also works. Now we need to select Format Data. Now type this code using your keyboard. Okay, click on Format. The process has now started, and now it has ended. Data formatted, click on OK, and now simply wait until your phone turns on. The setup process will appear on the screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.